Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from HubSpot CRM. This is a powerful way to maintain personal communication with your contacts while keeping everything tracked and organized within your CRM system. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to get access to HubSpot's features. After signing in, you should land directly on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all CRM activities. Now, let's access your contacts. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main menu panel. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Marketing, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this expanded menu, click on Contacts. This takes you to your contact database where all your customer and lead information is stored. Once you're in the contact section, you'll see a list of all the people you've been tracking in your CRM. Find and click on the specific contact you want to send an email to. This opens up their detailed contact record, showing you their information, previous interactions, and communication history. On the left side of the contact card, you'll notice several icons for different actions you can take. Look for the icon labeled Email and click on it. This action opens a compose window right within HubSpot, allowing you to send an email without leaving the platform or switching to a separate email client. In the compose window, start by filling in the subject field with a clear, engaging subject line that will encourage your contact to open the email. Then move down to the main composition area where you'll write your email body. HubSpot's email editor gives you plenty of flexibility here. You can format your text, insert images, add hyperlinks, and even include call-to-action buttons to drive engagement. Take your time crafting a message that's relevant and valuable to your recipient. Once you're satisfied with your email content and have double-checked everything, simply click the Send button. Your email will be sent immediately, and HubSpot will automatically log this interaction in the contacts record, giving you a complete communication history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.